What's up guys, and this time to take a look at the old Nokia 3310 phone. But before we get into the video, I highly recommend you guys to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon if you are new here. Okay, so think about this. Have you ever seen the perfect smartphone? No, right? Have you ever seen a smartphone hit like all five of the pillars of a great smartphone, all of those on the nose? 100%. It seems like it never happens. It seems like every time you have a new great smartphone, there is always one little thing holding it back, but I think today that may change. Today we may figure something out here for those who don't know the 5 pillars of a great smartphone. From me anyway, our great battery, great build, great performance, great camera and great display. If you can make smartphone that nails all 5 of those things, then you have made a great smartphone that's worth buying. It's harder than it sounds, but that's something to get into. Okay, so great battery life. Yes, this phone has that. It may only be a 900 mAh battery, but it's outstanding. It offers an extraordinary 22 hours of talk time of a single charge and will keep running for 31 days in standby mode. Great build quality. Check. Do I even have to convince you it's a well built phone? You already know it's kind of a legend for that. It's a little bit thick, but I have said over and over again that I don't mind thicker phone. It's mildly water resistance, it's dust resistance, drop resistance, shatter resistance and time resistance. Anyway, it is a solid phone. Moreover, it was announced on 1st September 2000 and released in the fourth quarter of the year, replacing the popular Nokia 3310. It sold very well, being one of the most successful phones with 126 million units sold worldwide and being one of Nokia's most iconic devices.